My coaches, my mentees keep asking me one question. Aarti, I feel stuck in my career because I'm just a manager and not a leader. So how could you become an effective leader? They keep asking me this question. And I say it's very, very important to amplify your career. So for that, you need to develop certain skills. I have curated a 20 series videos which will be focusing on traits to become an effective leader. We'll be talking about developing a clear vision today. How do I develop a clear vision as a leader? Is it important? Yes, it's really important for guiding your team, your organization towards a common goal. Here I'm going to share a step-by-step guide to help you develop and refine a clear leadership vision. So the first step is self-reflection. Sometimes knowing yourself is the hardest nut to crack. So start by reflecting on your personal values, your beliefs, your passion. What are the causes or goals that resonate with you deeply? Because it's so important to know what you want, what you feel, what makes you happy. Second, understand your organization. Gain a deeper understanding of your organization's mission, value, and long-term objectives. Because if your vision and your organization vision are not in sync, they don't align, then you will not have a clear vision as a leader. Third thing which is really important is a market and industry analysis. Stay informed about the industry trends, market dynamics, and the emerging opportunities or challenges. Understanding the external environment can inform your vision. Otherwise, your vision is again not syncing what is happening in the market. Fourth, it is so important that you communicate your vision with your team. Otherwise, it only stays with you and your team members have no clue about your vision. So, inform your stakeholders, inform your peers, inform your team about the vision. Gather their inputs, insights about the organization's strengths and weaknesses and opportunities. You might miss something. So, seek their feedback. Encourage open and honest feedback from all the team members and the stakeholders. This feedback can help you refine and improve your vision. It is okay to change the goalpost. It's not important that you have to be rigid and fixed about your vision. After that, ensure that your vision aligns with the values and aspirations of your team members. Because it is very important you, your organization, and your team members are together working towards one common goal. When people connect personally with the vision, they are more likely to be motivated. If you follow these 4 steps, step by step, you will have a clear vision as a leader. Stay with me with the next 19 videos and try to be an effective leader and amplify your career with me. Stay tuned. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.